Hello and welcome to CRUX Investor. We're here today with Amanda van Dyke. She runs South River Asset Management, one of the best performing natural resource funds here in the UK. How are you, Amanda?
Very good. How are you, Matthew?
Good, thank you. Now you're going to tell us a little bit about Tharisa. They're the platinum company based in South Africa, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Great.
I've been a holder of Tharisa for quite some time. They are a platinum chrome producer in South Africa. They're extraordinarily efficient and they have a really good management team. But they are also, they have recently just expanded into Zimbabwe. Now, Zimbabwe has been a no-go area for a long time, but recently they have reinterpreted their mining laws and gotten some new government in place. And they are really trying very hard to encourage investors back into the country, especially the mining industry. And Zimbabwe is incredibly geologically endowed. So they are trying to get people back in, and Tharisa went and did the work before it was popular and managed to secure 2 highly prospective platinum chrome deposits in Zimbabwe, which they're developing now, and the initial grades coming out of it are exceptional. So while Tharisa is a nice, steady, profitable business in South Africa that pays a beautiful dividend that I enjoy having in my portfolio, the optionality now with a new deposit in a new jurisdiction that they acquired at a really good price, it is quite exciting. So I think that potentially this year, the new studies based on the drilling they do could come out with a great new resource and a great new plan to develop platinum chrome producers in Zimbabwe. That are quite accretive to the bottom line and to shareholders. So I'm quite excited to watch what they have coming up.
Okay. Elephant in the room time. Zimbabwe, South Africa haven't had the best history in mining over the past few years. What gives you comfort that these guys know how to operate in those countries?
Well, the fact that they do operate in those countries is quite huge. Tharisa built and financed in South Africa their original mine. They listed in the UK. They not only operate but pay dividends in the UK, and they consistently meet their targets and return money to shareholders. So they've demonstrated that they're able to get into production and to consistently return money to shareholders on a regular basis. So the fact is that they've been de-risked because of history. In addition, Zimbabwe is a big risk, but that risk is mitigated by, one, the fact that these guys have demonstrated the ability to operate in difficult jurisdictions that are not as liked by the markets. And so they've done that. And 2, you have the steady cash flows of the already operating operation to back up the company. So there's a limited amount of risk capital going in. You're not betting the bank. You have a fallback position. So, and nonetheless, I've been watching the Zimbabwe situation very, very closely, and sometimes you take jurisdictional risk. It doesn't always pay off, but I tend to believe that if you were ever going to get back into Zimbabwe, this would be the time.
Okay, interesting. And again, to finish off, top 3 reasons for investing.
Great deposits, dividend payer with really good management, and extraordinarily prospective new platinum chrome deposit in Zimbabwe.
Thanks again for running through that, and again, lovely to catch up with you in the next few months and see how they've done.
Great.
Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more in-depth and insightful interviews, you can subscribe to us on YouTube and also on the website cruxinvestor.com. And of course, we're on LinkedIn and Twitter as well. So thanks for watching. See you again soon.